If you are currently on the same computer as the one you installed the desktop app on, you shouldn't ever need to download your files from the browser. They're already syncing via the desktop app. However, if you have logged on another computer and they are on Google Drive on that computer via the web, maybe you need to bring your files over somewhere else, let's say via USB flash drive. You can download them. You can right-click on any file and select Download near the bottom. It's going to go into your browser's default Downloads folder. If you are downloading anything other than a Google Doc file, your files will be downloaded as they are. However, if you're downloading a Google Docs file such as a Google Doc, a sheet, or a Google Slide that is a presentation, they'll be converted into a Microsoft Office format. For example, this Google Doc that I just downloaded will be converted into Microsoft Word format. I'll click here so that you can see my downloads. Here's my Google Doc, and as you can see, it's been converted into a Microsoft Office document file because it has the extension docx. A Google Slides presentation will be downloaded as a Microsoft PowerPoint file, and a Google Sheet will be downloaded as a Microsoft Excel. I'll close out of this browser tab and go back to my Google Doc. If you need more download options, you can always double-click on the Google Doc file directly to open it up. From here, click File on the top left-hand side of the screen. Hover your mouse over Download and you'll be given more choices. For example, I can download it as a Microsoft Word file, Open Document, Rich Text, even a PDF file. This is fantastic if you want to make sure that nobody can alter your doc file once you download it. I'll close out of this. I did want to show you that you can absolutely download a folder, but it works a little bit differently. If I right-click on a folder and choose Download, it's going to download as a zip file. And depending on how many files that are in there, it could take a few moments to convert it into a zip file. Once it's done, I can double-click and open it up, and then everything will be intact. But I did want to show you that it handles it a little bit differently.